Revetting. This video provides information about revetting and your obligations as a manager within the HSC. What is revetting? Revetting is the process of vetting an individual who has previously been vetted. Why is revetting required? Revetting ensures that those working with children and vulnerable adults continue to be suitable for such roles. Revetting is also consistent with the data protection requirement that personal data is accurate and kept up to date, particularly in situations where new information comes to light that points to a substantive and immediate risk to children or vulnerable adults. How often do individuals need to be revetted? Section 20 of the NVB Act, when enacted soon, will introduce a mandatory legal requirement to revet an individual engaging in relevant work at minimum every 3 years. However, revetting may be required earlier for a host of reasons, including if an individual's role or duties have changed significantly, if new information has come to light, if an individual has gotten a promotion and is moving into a new role, if an individual is working in a different setting, if an individual is returning to duty following a 6-month break in service, if an individual is submitting an application for HICWA registration of residential service. When can I start submitting revetting applications? On the request of the National Vetting Bureau, the HSC has already begun the revetting process for many areas and services. If you have individuals in your area whose Garda vetting record is over 3 years old, you are advised to begin the revetting process now to ensure that you are well placed in terms of compliance when Section 20 is introduced. How will I know who requires vetting? There are a number of sources that you can use to check on the vetting status of those working in your area. SAP records. The official record of vetting is held within SAP, and you can run a report, SEDPA, Garda Vet Rep, Garda Vetting Report within SAP to check who was vetted and the date of their vetting. Garda vetting records are updated automatically by National Personnel Records on a weekly basis. Confirmation reports. These are held on file locally on an individual's personnel file and contain details including the name, address, date of clearance and the role for which the vetting was carried out. The confirmation report is the letter that is issued by the GVLO once the vetting process is complete. BEX reporting tool. BEX is a reporting tool which enables you to create easy-to-use reports using SAP data. These reports will allow you to drill to various levels, right down to specific units and employees, and report on who is and is not vetted in your area. Local reports. Many areas and services keep their own detailed Garda vetting records. Your HR department, or in the case of residential services, your data controller, may be able to advise you about available records. Help. If you have any queries about the revetting process or need assistance, the GVLO is here to help. You can contact us by emailing gardavetting@hsc.ie.